let's do this problem right here. The question is asking verify that the function f of x equal x cube minus 4x plus 7 satisfy the hypothesis of Rolle's theorem. Then find all the numbers c that satisfy the conclusion of Rolle's theorem. So first of all, we have to know, before we approach a Rolle's theorem question, we have to know the to satisfy Rolle's theorem there are three conditions. The first condition is it should be continuous, and second condition is it should be differentiable, and the third condition is whatever the endpoints, in this case they have given f minus 2 and true, so whatever the endpoints when we apply into this equation it should give the same value. So let's see the first condition, if it satisfies the first condition. So the first condition is it continuous? If you, what is the domain of this function? If you see the domain, this is all real numbers, right? So this is continuous, so it's keep going, so it's satisfy the first equation, first condition, it's continuous. So yes, continuous, yes. Second, it should be differentiable. So to find whether it is differentiable, we have to first take the derivative of this one. Derivative of f of x is going to be 3x square minus 4. Now we have to see the domain. So if we took a look at the domain, this is also like, also we already know this is a parabola. However, we check the domain. Domain is going to be all real numbers. So it's different. It's continuous here too. Also, this is differentiable. Therefore, this is yes. The second also yes. And the third one, we have to find whether it is giving the similar value when we apply minus to endpoints, both endpoints, minus 2 and 2. So let's see. So if I apply f minus 2, this is going to give us minus 2 cube minus 4 times minus 2 plus 7, which is equal to minus 8 plus 8 plus 7. The final value is 7. And if now I had to make sure whether f2 also gives the same value. Let's see. So f2 is equal to 2 cube 2 cube minus 4 times 2, 4 times 2 plus 7. So this is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0, 0 plus 7 is going to be 7. So we both of them are uh, giving the same answer, therefore this is also yes. So it satisfies all the three conditions that applies to Rolle's theorem. Therefore, now we can do the question. So according to the Rolle's theorem, what it says is, therefore it's there's a real root exists in this between these two values, and we can find it by equalizing this derivative equal to 0. So let's see, when we equalize this one to 0, I will get 3 x square minus 4. Therefore 3x square is going to be equal to 4. Therefore x is going to be equal to 4 over 3. Then the final answer is going to be x is going to be equal to 2 root 3. That could be plus or minus. Now we have to make sure, we have to find the exact value to make sure with its, both of them are within this endpoints, because whatever the value we get, it should be within this endpoint, then only that value will be applied. So if I divide this one by this one, I will get 1.1547. So let's see, is plus 1.1547 is within the within this interval? Yes, because it's within minus 2 and 2. And it's minus 1.15, yes, the both of them are existing in this interval, therefore both of them are true, therefore both of them are going to be my answer. And we can also state that c is equal to plus or minus 2 over root 3. So this is my final answer, and I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.